So what do you want to be in future?
I want to be a businessman.
You want to be a businessman?
Yes.
Why do you want to be a businessman?
It's not like I'm getting forced to become a businessman. It's that my father is doing a business, and then later, when he retires, he'll pass the business on to me and my brother. We will split it in half. Now, if my brother falls ill or sick, I'll have to take 100% of the responsibility. Now, if he gets a bit better, he will have 25% of the job, and I'll have 75%. When he's back to normal and in good shape, then it will again be 50-50 for both of us. And,
Okay.
and this is a business, not a job. And doing a job is not bad. Business gives you more money. But jobs are small. Like jobs can be extremely small, as a security guard.
But
ice
all
cream parlor.
jobs are good, right?
All jobs are good depending on the value of the money you get. If you really need and you're desperate for money, you need to do a job that gives you a lot of money. But if you just need a bit more money to invest in a business, then you should work a part-time job at an ice cream shop, a security guard, a
What
night
types of business do you like to start?
clothing business, shipping.
Okay, if you get lots of money, what will you do with that?
If I get lots of money, I'll use a fraction of it to make our business more. I'll hire more employees, and if I have a family, I'm going to go visit to another hotel. I'm going to rent another hotel and
will
go there.
travel.
Yeah, I will travel.
How many countries have you traveled?
13.
13 countries.
13.
Which country did you like most?
It was the country I liked the most was
Mal-
Maldives.
Maldives. You want to be a businessman, right?
Yes.
But don't you think it is so tough? Because all the time you need to work hard.
Okay, yeah, you're correct. It is tough running a business, but the thing is, at the low age, if you start practicing business, and then when you get older, you have more business to do, and you'll keep on learning from it from your father when you're little, and you'll see what he does. You start learning from it, and after learning from it, you already have a clue on what's going to happen. Knowing of what the factory does, you can already study. If something goes downhill, you can make it uphill. If someone is mad that the codes are not proper and they're tore, we'll just say jeans are tore, but we'll just say it's a design and for other people. If you want to cancel it, we can cancel it and refund it and give you another code. Like these, we need to be calm to our customers. If we're mad at our customers, they're gonna give us a bad rating. Giving us a bad rating would be bad, and no one would buy anything from us.
Well, did you share your plan with your father?
My father knows already.
He agreed?
He agreed to learn it previously.
Okay. I think he will support you.
He will support me if he learns how much I'm studying.
Does a person need to study if he wants to be a businessman?
You definitely need to study to become a businessman. You need to study Bangla so you can talk with your customers. You need to study English so you can talk with other people, Canadians, Thailand people, American people. Like you need to learn many languages to talk to other people properly. If you can't speak a language properly, and
You cannot communicate with them.
and like if you can't watch your screening for more than 1 hour, it's harmful for your eyes. So what you can do is buy some advanced books, like some story books you can use. You buying some story books would be good because story books use very good grammar and you can learn from that and talk to other people like that. The story books don't exactly tell you how many questions are you getting, what questions are you getting, whatever you get asked. The storybooks always have an answer. They ask so hard questions, acknowledged questions that actually when you read it, you understand that what questions you get asked,
Okay.
what happens.
You study every day,
You
right?
have to study every day when you're under constant pressure.
Okay. Sometimes you feel boring that you need to study a lot.
It is boring for other people, but studying is also a fun game.
Study is a funny game.
Study is very serious. You have to be serious about studying so you can become a businessman and not a driver for other people. So what you have to do is you have to focus on your studies. You can play. No one's stopping you from playing. You can play. But you have to do studies if you want to grow up and earn money. Now your parents are giving you money and like supporting you. But later on when they retire, they can't work anymore and they can't earn money anymore. With this,
Who told you this thing that after retirement our parents cannot support us?
our parents will support us after they retire. They can support us with the money they have left. They'll give it to
But
us.
we should earn our own
We
money.
should earn our own money. They're just going to give us a bit so we can start off. They're going to give us money to pay all of them at the end of the month. We're going to pay them at the
We should
end.
take care of them, right?
We should take care of our parents. We should not misbehave against other people, not our employees. We shouldn't misbehave.
We shouldn't misbehave with anyone.
We shouldn't misbehave with anyone. Having 7,000 people working for one company is a lot. Think about it. You are one person out of 7 billion. Now, if you have 7,000, that's like 0.1% of the population. That's a lot for us. If you don't think that's a lot,
So
actually,
you want to give some chances, right? You want to give chance for the people.
you need to give chances to everyone. So think people who are advanced, who
Will you
know.
pay them well?
We pay them all equally. It doesn't depend on whatever they do. We all pay them all equally.
I got it. Thank you so much. You have said a lot. All these things I think people will like. Okay. Thanks
Yes.
for watching.